Hey y'all, happy holidays. I'm so excited to share this festive hairstyle tutorial in partnership with Hot Tools. I've been a huge fan of Hot Tools. I've been using their products ever since I was in high school, and I've always been a big fan of their curling irons. I was so excited when they reached out about their new black gold collection with the black gold turbo ionic style dryer and the black gold revolutionary 1-inch flat iron. I'm going to show y'all how I use these two products to create gorgeous curls perfect for holiday parties or New Year's Eve. So I start with damp air dried hair. Once my hair is about 70% dry, I use the black gold turbo ionic style dryer, which actually injects a high volume of ions directly into the airstream for faster drying, increased softness, and less frizz. You can even adjust the ionic output according to your hair type and humidity conditions. So I rough dry my hair until it's totally dry, and then I move on to the curls. First, I section my hair off. To curl my hair, I'm using the black gold revolutionary ionic salon flat iron. As you guys have probably already seen on my channel or my Instagram, I love curling my hair with a flat iron instead of a curling iron. I love that this flat iron actually has a cylindrical design, making it so easy to create curls or straight styles. The iron is designed with titanium and microshine ceramic finish for silky smooth hair. I start with one section and curl the hair away from my face. To do this, I clamp the hair with the iron, twist, and gently pull through. This creates gorgeous, tight curls that really last a long time. The rounded corners of the iron make it easy to pull the hair through. I curl with about 3/4 inch sections and always turn away from the face. When you change to the other side of the hair, make sure to actually change hands so you can continue to curl away from the face. I love that this iron has 27 heat settings up to 455 degrees, so you can curl your hair quickly with high heat depending on your hair type. After I've curled each section, I twist 2 sections in the front of my hair and secure at the back with bobby pins. Then, to add a festive fancy touch, I'm using this sparkly hairpin and I fasten it right in the middle of these 2 twists at the back of the head. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Special thanks to Hot Tools for sponsoring this video, and happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Bye.